Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Get ready to explore English in a new and exciting way. Today we are diving into a super fun and challenging quiz designed to sharpen your grammar skills. Here is how it works. You will be given a paragraph with hidden grammatical mistakes, and your task is to identify them before time runs out. You will have 30 seconds to identify those mistakes. But don't worry, if you miss any, we've got your back. At the end of the quiz, all the mistakes will be revealed along with their explanations. It's a fun and effective way to sharpen your English skills and boost your confidence. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.